Miss Andrea here and Miss
Mayor.
And we're going to do an unboxing from Adagio tea. We like to spill the tea, and so
this is
Adagio tea is an affiliate of ours now.
very fun.
And so let's see what we have.
This is a glass pitcher.
It's for sun brewing?
I think so. Very cool. It's for silicate glass.
Okay.
Just your standard glass.
Okay. Well, glass is good.
Glass is good.
Loose teas.
Always the best.
Dragon fruit dream
Ooh.
iced tea.
Doesn't help with the smell through the
Oh.
package. I do not put sugar and sweetened things
But
in my
if you're
teas.
gonna put sugar in your tea,
But if you're gonna put sugar in your tea,
it is
rock sugar crystals.
rock sugar crystals.
Oh.
This is a free trial box of.
Of things, of a variety of things. Foxtrot, which is an herbal tea.
Oh, okay. We get to try different things.
Guava cream, green tea. Thai chai,
I'll be
which is
drinking
black
that.
tea. Maybe.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, summer rose, also a black tea. That sounds delicious. Green rooibos, Kentucky bourbon black tea. Citrus mate and herbal.
Yes, I love that. Oh, it's a nice tea cup.
Also just, you know.
Oh, Adagio cheese. We have summer blends.
Okay.
So this is classic iced tea.
3 samples. Rooibos, however that's pronounced. Ceylon Sonata. Interesting. And a peppermint iced tea. That's probably for the
Ooh.
classic iced teas.
And this is berries iced tea.
Okay.
So also 3 samples.
What flavors of berries do we have? Wild strawberry.
Oh, yummy.
White blueberry. And a
Okay,
berry blast.
yes.
There's one more in there, yeah?
One more. Ooh, this looks good. This just says summer teas.
But this has 4. So we're going to be trying all kinds of new, interesting things. Ooh.
We'll let you know what we're drinking and we'll tell you how it is.
A key lime herbal. A fuzzy navel. So the white fuzzy navel, which is what this is, so it's a white tea. Sunny flavors of peach and orange meld with white tea to create an ideal poolside refreshment.
Okay.
We also have the watermelon cooler and the mango melange.
Oh, melange and melange. Melange.
So there we go.
That's the first unboxing for CheesePress Publishing.
So there you go.
We'll let you know how they are. Till next time.